Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Thought I lost them here to pop, they thought I was fucked on the bitch, I got it. Rapping out my jeans, shit can't fit in no motherfucking wallet. I'm laying shit down with a pallet, these nigga hats, they be capping. Got this 9 on side of me, up this bitch, it blow like magic. That thought I lost my sauce, when I get big trying to be like a boss. Talking about bands, what this shit here cost. Talking about 30 bands, took that loss. Already won you.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean CVI. You feel me? We back at it again with another video in promethazine and Hellcat, no cap. As y'all boy can see, we got the car outside. Y'all boy can tell by the B-roll. Y'all see that we riding around with them sticks. Let me show y'all boy them sticks. Feel me? So right here, you feel me? We got big micro Drake. Now this is my Call of Duty weapon. This is like my ghost loadout. You feel me? So I got the Draco with every attachment. And you feel me? We got the Gen 6 Glock, you feel me? Yeah, this my newest baby that I bought, you feel me? The Gen 6 Glock, no belt. This also my everyday carry at the moment. Well, it's gonna be my everyday carry for a minute. You feel me? We got the secondary loadout. We got this is the camping loadout. So I can sit in my room while y'all niggas breaking in my house. Up this bitch and push y'all shit back with this motherfucking shotgun, you feel me? And I also got the backup, which is the Grim Reaper Edition Mac 11, you feel me, with that yeah on that bit, you feel me? But anywho, y'all, we finna go ahead and get into this little POV drive with the guns. Hopefully we don't get pulled over, because we do get pulled over, 12 is gonna think that I'm up to no good, because I'm a black nigga with a cat with 4 sticks, you feel me? But we'll go ahead and get into this video, y'all. Make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe, get this video up to 150 likes, you feel me? I know y'all boys can do it. Also make sure y'all boy hype the video up, because that's supposed to push the videos out. And yeah, I'm running out of breath. Let's go ahead and get into this shit, nigga. Let's go ahead and crank that bitch up. Woo, that startup sounds good. Let's go ahead and let these windows down, you feel me? So we can get a nice little breeze in this bitch. Put that motherfucking seatbelt on. First thing y'all boy want to do before you get into any SRT, tap that SRT mode, go to, you're going to do sport mode, turn traction all the way off. You feel me? This car ain't hard to control. If you crash this bitch, it's purely your fault. You feel me? Because you in control of that bitch. You feel me? We good. This bitch sound like it can. No doubt. We finna go ahead and get into this drive. Like I said, hopefully we don't get pulled over by the police. Hopefully we don't get pulled over by the police, because I'm tired of them taking my guns. And I said I'll never ride around with all my guns again. But, you feel me? We some hard-headed ass niggas. Look at that V6 in front of me. Wait, is that a motherfucking M3? I'll tear that nigga ass up. I don't think I will. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I think I need to fix my fuck that noise is. I think I need to fix my 360 mount. That bitch don't look like it got good suction at all. So I need to find me a little spot to pull over at. Hold on. And then there's some shit shaking back there. It gotta be that damn mount. Damn, where the fuck the park at? I know that bitch somewhere. I think it was back down that way. Hold on. We're gonna turn right here. Okay, look like he never seen a cat before. Damn! This motherfucker popping like popcorn. Hold on, y'all. Let me go ahead and start the motherfucking whip, you feel me? So I can fix my mount so that bitch won't fly off. Cause that shit right there will have a nigga pissed off. I might up one of these sticks if that shit was to happen. Just gotta push that shit in, push that shit in right there. Push that shit in right there, you feel me? And we good to go. Also, I'm trying to figure out what the fuck making that noise back there. I don't know, but we finna go ahead and get to this driver. Hey, them niggas right there, they got a Hellcat in the yard that they smashed up like 2 weeks after having it. It looked like they was finna run a goddamn stop sign. I'm also finna be trying to, you feel me, go down a nigga block with that button and let that bitch loose on the nigga. Don't y'all like the way this bitch sound? That was something slight. That wasn't that too crazy. Oh, we got a stop sign right here. Is a car coming? Nope. Look at Aunt with the hat on. I would do that shit right here, but it's some type of little police thing right here. It's a fleet management. I don't trust they motherfucking ass. Why my car seem like it's shifting weird? It might just be me. But it smell like a dead nigga out there, hoe. I keep forgetting to put my seatbelt on. I ain't slid a corner in so long either, y'all. Like, I really done piped down how I was driving. Like, I don't do none of the crazy shit no more. But I still can do it. At least I hope. I hope I ain't that rusty. I'ma see what I can do. Them boys at the cemetery working. I need to invest in the cemetery. You know, niggas always dying. You can never have too much cemetery space. I just ran the fuck out that stop sign, but it is what it is. Yes, sir. That shit felt good. You know, a nigga don't be doing that no more. Hey y'all, so look, y'all know I got a y'all know that little center bearing in the drive shaft, that shit that be like breaking, like the center support joint. So I got a Project Gamma center bearing. Do y'all think that make my transmission like shift a little different? Because I mean, with the OEM Mopar center bearing, it's the rubber that goes around the drive shaft is more plush. This shit right here is stiff. So I was trying to figure out, is that why it seemed like my car shifts so different sometimes? That could be. Cause I do know when I downshift from third into second, you feel a significant vibration. So hopefully, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I don't think my transmission going bad in that. It just feel ever so slightly weird sometimes. Oh shit. What the fuck they doing to damn Mercedes? They got out of the way like a nigga finna T-bone my ass. But I do know they got a funeral up here. I'm gonna get this lane right here. I wonder who the fuck died. See, I was just talking about the cemetery shit. Let me let these windows up. That shit making my goddamn brain do flips and shit. That loud ass siren. I know y'all niggas still can't hear a nigga in that bitch. While he focused on that funeral, nigga, I'm around with 4 motherfucking chopsticks in this bitch. No doubt. If only they knew what the fuck I had in my car, they would be on dick. Damn, these niggas got a big ass funeral. This shit crazy. And then it's hot as shit out this hole. Niggas want to impede traffic. The traffic lights don't know what the fuck to do. I think that was the last car. So we good now. Woo! That's, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. That shit never get old. The supercharger wine with them loud ass pops. But that shit never get old on everything. I love making niggas scared in this bitch. It make you feel like you got so much power when you driving down the street, blinking down on niggas. Not literally, I'm just talking about with my little pops and shit. Hopefully I don't get pulled over today. I'm trying to make sure there ain't no police behind me, no undercover now. Hold on. Hopefully it's not, because I don't want no smoke, sir. Oh, shit, I ain't see that police right there. Police at KFC getting some Kentucky Fried Chicken. They gonna give me a Kentucky ass whooping if they find out that was me. I'm gonna blame it on somebody else. I'm looking for a car that look like they can be making that sounds right now. They're down showing me, coach. One of their ass already pulled me over like a week ago, talking about, was that you? I was like, hell no. I'm like, I wish my car had a tune or something on that bitch. I was like, that was a Toyota Supra with a big ass turbo on that hoe. He said, okay. I was just making sure. It sounded like someone was shooting. I'm like, shit. I thought somebody popped a firecrackers out this hoe. Dumbass nigga. Damn, what lane should I get in? Cause it look like all these niggas drive slow. Every last one of these motherfuckers look like they drive slow. All they got these slow ass vehicles. Let me see if I can scare somebody up under the tunnel. Yeah, I think I'm starting to scare people now. I'm gonna tell y'all the funniest thing y'all need to do. If y'all got a flame kit, but y'all need to find an old person who got their windows down, you feel me? So you need to pull right beside where your exhaust will be by their window and spam that bitch. Boy, you gonna goddamn, they gonna fucking have a seizure. I made a bitch pull over. This bitch drove off the road. She thought she got her ass decapitated. Oh God. I scared the fuck out of that bald head ass lady. She didn't know what the fuck that was. Now this is the time where you got down. You gotta chill out. You see a police right there? Don't turn around, nigga. Oh, I thought his ass about to bust a U-turn on my ass. I got scared as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga, my heart dropped. It feel like my, y'all know y'all go down the hill in the car and you feel them butterflies in your stomach. Nigga, I just felt that shit. On God. Now it's time for me to go ahead and take my ass back to the brib before they get up with me. It's time to take this shit back to the brib. Hopefully y'all see that Hellcat in blue. Y'all see that blue motherfucker? I need to buy the motor from there, the motor and trans, and drop that bitch into a 300. Why I'm finna scare the fuck out that nigga by that truck. Why there? Well, y'all, that's gonna wrap up the video. You feel me? Goddamn, make sure y'all would like, comment, subscribe, hype the video up, do all that good stuff. Your boy finna go home before your boy gets a charge for what's that shit called? Exhibition driving. Them niggas know what the fuck that shit mean now. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the camera off. I'll make another video and I'll see y'all boy next time. I'm out. Peace.